guys, and welcome back to my channel. This week's video will be very short. I just wanted to do a small front yard refresh because, like I said, I'm not good at gardening even though I like to do it. So some of my plants were unfortunately dying. Oops. But basically I'm just changing out some plants. I bought some new plants. I killed my hidden ginger, which apparently is hard to kill, but I don't know. But I'm repotting my petunias, my Mexican petunias. They're doing very, very well. They are actually outgrowing their pot, so I'm repotting them into this bigger pot right here. And then I'm adding some other flowers that I got as well. These are the snapdragons, and I think the other ones are petunias as well, but they're not Mexican petunias. But I'm adding them to this pot so that it can be a really nice and pretty pot that I have. I'm so excited about this one because it's a lot bigger than my other pots. Here I am just rearranging the flowers. I didn't buy specific colors to match or anything. I just bought what I thought was pretty. And also Home Depot was having a sale on mums. They were 50% off, so I bought a bunch of mums, but I gave them to my sisters because I know that they like flowers as well. Right now I'm moving all of the plants off of the black mulch because I bought some more black mulch. I tried to get it to where it can be more even so the plants won't be tilting forward. I also decided to take down these picket fence that I had because I want to do something different. I just don't have the funds to do it right now. But here I am putting down the black mulch. Like I said, I wanted everything to be even. Everything was tilting forward, and I think it's just because it's been raining so much. Even though it's the middle of November and December, we're in December. Why is it raining so much in December? But I put down the black mulch and I made everything a lot more even. And hopefully soon I'll be able to get some scalloped bricks so I can put that across the front of everything so that it can be more complete. More than likely I'll use these fences that I have. I'll either donate them or I'll use them in my backyard. So stay tuned for a backyard refresh. How much has grown in this plant right here. I pulled some weeds from my job and I was just doing a little experiment. see that umbrella? Tell me why I didn't just take it inside. Why didn't I take the umbrella inside? It was in the way. And it got dirty. And then at the end, I put it in my car. Why didn't I take this umbrella inside? So before I end this week's video, I just wanted to show you guys this really pretty light switch plate cover that I have. I got this off of Amazon. I believe that the name of the store was Nostalgia something. I'll put it down below, but it really is very beautiful and it matches my decor absolutely perfectly. And I will be ordering more from this store, so stay tuned for more home updates from me.